Okay, let's go.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Mike from MicTap. Got a couple of items today that I just picked up. They all three come from Five Below. Wanted to bring y'all in here and open them and everything together. So first off, I bought a Uptech mini digital camera. We'll go ahead and unbox this. Says it's Video Max resolution is full HD 1020 1080. Oh, I'm sorry, 1920 1080p. Picture max resolution. Focus free camera, easy to carry. This is the camera. It's very light, very flimsy. Don't know much about it right now. We'll take some video on this and put it on the video and let y'all see how it works. Next off is a 3-in-1 card reader, memory card reader. It supports micro SD ports, SD card port. This is it. We'll unbox it right now. See what it looks like. I bought these all from Five Below. Five Below's not sponsored. Bought these with my own money. Let's take a look at it. The little camera right there has already has a 256 megabyte memory card included. So I bought this to transfer the files off of that onto here for y'all guys. Yeah, it's got the USB lightning plug into the USB-C. That's how we're supposed to do that. Plug into the USB-C. So there you go for the USB-C and the USB lightning. So whatever phone you have to plug it into, or computer if you want to plug it to your computer. Third up, we have a moon speaker. It's Bluetooth, dimmable light, surround sound, superior sound, fabric texture, moon speaker. Let's go and unbox this. A video how it starts. Okay, we have the USB-A going to USB-C charger for it and the instruction manual. This is what the speaker will look like. I don't know how good y'all can see it. We'll turn it on. It's got lights, dim the lights, brighten the light, a little bit brighter. Hey, we'll bring these back to y'all here in just a minute on a review and see how they do. See if y'all might want to pick some of these up from Five Below. I think this was like $8, so we'll check it out. Wireless microphone too. Had this little fuzzy thing on it. It fell off. I can't get it to reconnect now. For some reason, it's got all this doodah stuff to connect to a USB flash for your iPhone. It does not connect. I don't know if you can see the little green and red little thing right there going all haywire, but I paid like $3 or $5 for this thing too, and wouldn't recommend it. I bought some little cheap stuff from Temu speaker or wireless mics. They do pretty good. I think I gave like $12 for these. I had one clipped on earlier. But I also wanted to throw that in there. I forgot I got it at Five Below also. So let y'all make y'all's own decisions. We finally got the Bluetooth speaker paired up to a phone. We're gonna try it out and let y'all see what y'all think about it. And we'll go from there. So this is it on low setting. Don't sound bad on low setting. Like I say, it's something just to have around while you chilling, while you hanging out with friends, while you video gaming, whatever you want to do. Sounds pretty good. We can bump up the volume. This is max volume. Got my invitation to the lunatic ball and my friends. So it's not copyrighted music, I understand that. So we'll go ahead and snip that in the butt. But hey man, I paid $8 for the speaker, $8 at Five Below, not bad. anything that comes from Five Below that works, I guess is really good, because the damn video camera don't work, and it ain't worth a piece. It ain't worth nothing. So I'll just leave it at that. But yeah, I mean, it's just something just to have hanging around on your desk. Like I say, it's got 2 light modes. You got a bright and you got a dim. You know, I mean, if you're scared of the dark, listen to music, you can have a night light. I'm not saying nothing, but I say it's $8 worth a cup of coffee in the morning times, because I know people spend more than $8 on a cup of coffee. So buy you a Bluetooth speaker with it. The Uptech camera right here that we bought at Five Below here the other night, we've been testing it out, and so far as of right now, this is a piece of it's not good. It comes with a micro SD card. It says it is 256 megabytes. I cannot put no video recordings on it because it's saying that the card is full right now. It will actually take pictures, but it will not video record anything. It says the card is full. It's full charged. I got it on. I don't know what is the deal with it. You see it coming up, uptick, and then whenever you try to get ready to take a video, it honestly looks like we're back in 2000. This is supposed to be the recorder for the video, and nothing happens. So I do not know what is wrong with it. Wish I did. Oh yeah, you can barely see it now. It's glitching in and out saying card is full. Wow. Okay. So that was a big waste of money right there. $5. $5 is $5 to some people. You know, I was hoping it would help me out, you know, on some of my vlogging. Since I got the video camera up here and this video camera right here, I hope it helped me out a little bit, but it's not doing nothing. So next off, I actually plugged this into my phone and it actually worked. It is also made by Uptech. You can put a SD card, a regular SD card in it, put the micro SD card in it, and you can also plug a USB device up to it to transfer video files off your phone, photos off your phone, wherever you want to transfer it to, or I'm sorry, onto your phone, not off your phone, onto your phone from your camera, from whatever has an SD card that you want to transfer from here, or the SD card onto your phone or to your computer, wherever you want to transfer it. It works decent. First, when I plugged it up, it says it wasn't reading anything. I finally got it to start reading, so it is actually pretty good. It is actually pretty good. It's pretty nice. I mean, I think I gave $3 for it. Not bad. Next is the Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth Moon speaker right here, we unboxed it in our last video. We'll show it again in this video of us unboxing it. It's a pretty cool looking little speaker. I think I gave $8 for it, something like that. Something pretty cool just to sit on your desk while you're gaming, while you're vibing, blogging, you know, whatever you're doing. I think it looks pretty cool. So we'll come around to the back. It's got your USB-C charging port. You got a power button and a light button. We'll power it on. And as we see the light come on, we just got 2 modes with the lights. It's this one and a little bit dimmer one. Not bad. We'll plug it up here in just a minute, see how it sounds. Be right back. All right, guys, here's the verdict on all this tonight. So the Bluetooth speaker for $8. It's totally worth the money, I believe. Just have it sitting off in a corner somewhere while you're video gaming, while you're vibing, while you're with friends, just have a little bit of music playing in the background. I totally believe it's worth this money. The card reader, the micro SD mini card reader, all that. After you get it to working, because the USB flash right here, for some reason, it don't want to connect to my iPhone just like it needs to. So I had to flip it around 3 or 4 times. Wishy-washy. $3 though. I mean, I know to a bunch of people $3 is $3, but it's $3. The camera, $5 camera. I was hoping it would help my setup, but it's not doing what I want it to do, so I would not recommend it. All these products come out of my own pocket. I paid for all this myself. Five Below's not sponsoring. Uptech's not sponsoring anything. Making my honest review. So yeah, I mean, if y'all see anything that surprised y'all, put it down there in the comments. Like, click the subscribe button. Let me know if y'all see anything else that y'all want me to try to review. If there's any more products from Five Below that y'all want me to review, let me know down in the comments. Y'all be safe. See y'all later.
Okay, let's go.